Kasi ako, hindi, joke lang. 5'10", pero yung space dito sa tuhod ko and even dito sa VIP section natin malaki.
Yes.
Sandali, ipakita nga natin kung gaano kalaki ang nasa spacing pa. Ayan, no? O, kaswabe, look at this, oh. Hindi ako nahihirapan. Ito ang tuhod
This
ko.
drives.
See? Komportable. Siyempre, i-usapan na yan. Yan ang number 1 na cool feature ng isang GT
It's a cool
convertible.
feature.
Nako-convert.
Man, I love it. This is my top one, guys. This is number 1. Number 2
Ang prime
is
feature pa nito, yung brake lights
this.
natin,
Another
wala doon.
green
Unlike
side.
dun sa fastback na yung
It's
brake
blurry,
lights
guys.
nandun sa taas. Pero this one, dahil
It's
convertible
my
tayo, ang
second
brake lights
least
nandito siya sa
favorite.
top. When it comes naman sa top
gosh.
stage ng GT convertible, medyo pumayat lang ng konting
Whoa.
lalagyan because of the top niya. Pero good thing about this, meron
Wow,
tayong
wee.
zipper sa loob. This one is a 6th generation Mustang.
Okay,
Naging
guys, this is
facelifted
number
version
2.
6.5. Yung version 6 kasi straight lang yung tri-bar. Pero this one, ang
Number
changes
3
rin laban
still
sa isang
green.
6th gen is
Forever green.
yan. Yung daytime running lamps before, tri-bar, diretso lang siya. Pero this one again, mas naging sharp looking yung shape, boomerang siya. And of course, HID projector lamps, it is inspired by Darth Vader.
I love
Joke, pero
toys.
totoo siya. That's the pony. Grills honeycomb style.
Number
Footwear,
3.
Papasok doon sa V8 Ninja natin.
Last number is my very favorite, guys, which is the color blue.
Naturally aspirated
green
engine.
windows.
Sa hood naman, this one are functional, heat extractors. Pagpasok ng hangin, lalabas yung mainit na hangin dito. Ayan ang aerodynamics ng Mustang GT. Then papunta doon, dahil naka-convert ka, so yung flow ng air,
We
mas
have
tumaas
all the-
pa. So napaka-sleek ng this one is functional kasi pag sinilip natin yan dito kaswabe, mahirap lang makita. Ayun, ayun. Okay? Para saan yan? Yung air pupunta dito for brake. This one handles perform and flat black 6.5 generation with 75, 40, and not sure. And that one is low bat ang GT na pneumatic shots. So makikita
Number 2.
because alam niyo naman, noong 1964, it started. Noong 2015, gumawa silang 50th anniversary. Kung gusto mong mapanood yung kayo, ayan ang badge.